How to find Twitter X username and password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find Twitter's, or now known as X, username and password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're trying to log in into your X but you do not remember your email and password, what you can actually do is, if you have saved your email and password or your username and password in your Google, this is how you can find it. Head over to your Google Chrome, and after you're on your Google Chrome, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After that, you can tap on your profile icon on the top right, tap on your account, and there you should find manage your Google account. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will find a lot of options here, including security. Tap on security, and after you tap on security, you can scroll down until you find an option called password manager. Tap on manage password after you find password manager, and there you'll find a list of different websites or different apps where you have logged in or of which you have saved the login credentials of. After you find X or Twitter here, you can simply tap on it to just see the password and email. And it's that simple. Now I have not yet saved password for Twitter in my Google password, so it's not really here, but for you it should be available here, from which you can see your email and password. After you find that, you can head over to X, and after you head over to X, you can simply type your email in here and then your password in here to log in. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.